Hey, this is just showing how to get a video embedded into Canvas that you made in Wevideo. So replacing a Panopto video. This was pretty easy, actually. So what I did was let's just start from delete. So I have already made my screenshot, my screencast video, and I went up to the V tools, the external tools, and said Google Apps because Wevideo is actually a Google app. But this then just brought up my, all of my Google Drive. I go to Wevideo, the folder that is available, and I click music video, and I can either link or embed. I did embed, and we'll see how that goes. And then just puts the video right there into Canvas. So that was pretty awesome.